Celery juice has many benefits, but before we get into the benefits, I'd like to tell you how to consume this drink the proper way. You want to start out early in the morning on an empty stomach drinking 6 to 8 ounces, and as you get accustomed to the flavor, you want to move up to 16 ounces. Okay, so let's get into the benefits. Celery juice is known as an anti-inflammatory drink, and what you need to know is that inflammation is one of the most common causes of chronic pain and discomfort, such as arthritis. Drinking this juice will help ease the discomfort in your body. It also improves digestion and gives a great source of vitamins and minerals such as vitamins K, C, and A. In each glass, you should get a good dose of these 3 vitamins. Celery juice also has the great benefit of clearing your skin. By day 3 to 5, if your skin is a bit irritant, it's because the toxins are trying to come out. And by day 7, you will see the glow. This drink is also a hair growth stimulant. During my research, I also learned that celery juice helps stabilize mood swings and mental health. It also reduces the chances of memory loss if it's consumed on a regular basis. If you suffer from migraines, then this is your drink. Another great benefit that you need to know about drinking this celery drink is that it's packed with antioxidants. Antioxidants are natural chemical compounds that are known to protect cells against harmful free radicals, which damage all types of cells. If you are excited about these great benefits of consuming this drink, then that's great. But in order to see and feel any changes, you must follow with a healthy diet. So that's all that I have in this video. I hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you use it to your benefit. And if you have a loved one who's simply in need, share this video with them. Don't keep it to yourself. Let's all get healthy. See you in the next video.